Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Civil. On the previous video, I made a tutorial on how to place walls, slabs and doors. So if you have not watched, you'll get the link in the description box. Please go and watch and subscribe. Press the notification button and don't forget to share the video with your fellow friends. So in today's tutorials, I'll teach you on how to place walls and the objects. So we can get started. So let me show you what windows are. So this one is a window over here. Also this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So now I'll teach you on how to place those. So you go to toolbox, and then on the design window tool, and then you double click. So you'll get all the windows. You have basic windows, bay and bow windows, empty window openings, historic windows, single double hung windows, sliding windows, special windows and storefronts. For me, I'll use a single window, and then I'll use the width as 1500 and the height as 1500 too. So now I'll teach you on how to add sill to story. So here we have some calculations to do. So I have my calculator here. So previously you know that our height of the wall was 3100, then you minus 300 for the slab, and then you minus 1500 for the height of the window. So I'll get 1300. So this is the value that I'll come and feed it here, 1300, and then click OK. So you can see that the window will appear. You must ensure that the bulb-like icon is on the inner side. So first of all, I'll just place the windows where they are, and then I'll show you on how to ensure that the window is on the center. So I've placed all my single windows. Then I'll click on arrow, and then over here measure is a tool that we shall use to measure. So you can measure the inner dimensions. You measure from wall to wall. For our case it's 6600. Then measure from one side of the wall to the window, the first corner of the window. So it's 2190. So in my calculator, it takes 6600 minus the width of the window, which was 1500. So I'll get 5100, and I'll divide this by 2 for me to place the window at the center, because there are two sides, so I have divided by 2. So I'll get 2550. So you remember the first distance that we got was from this one. I'll minus 2190 So I'll get 360. So this means that I'll have to move the window 360 millimeters to my right. So I'll click on the window. You go to arrow, click on the window, and then you press Control D. That is to drag, or you can right click. So first of all, you have to click on the window. You right click, move, and then drag. It's better you use shortcut, so I'll just press Ctrl D and then click on the object that I want to drag, and then I move the distance of 360. Then you can come and confirm if the dimensions are equal. So I'll go to the one end, then measure. So you can see that the first corner is at a distance of 2550. So you can take again and confirm from the other side of the wall, and you can see it's 2550. So this window is on the center. Now we shall go to this. So I'll start measuring again. So it's 6300, and up to the first corner it's 2522. So it's 6300. Then I minus the width of the window, which is 1500. Sorry, I've made a mistake over here. 6300 minus 1500, that is 4800. Then I divide it by 2 for me to get 2400. So it means that from this corner to this corner it should be 2400. So it means I'll have to move my window to my left by 95 millimeters. So you click on arrow, click on the window, press Ctrl D, and then drag distance of 95, press enter, and then you can confirm if it is on the center. For me, I will not confirm for now because I know it's on the center. I'll go to the next one because of time. So I'll measure this one again. The internal dimensions from wall to wall, 6700. So I go to my calculator, press 6700 minus 1500, which is the width of the window. I'll get 5200, in which I'll divide this by 2. So I'll get 2600. So it means that from here to here I should get 2600. So this means I'll have to move 7 millimeters to my right. Press escape, click on the window, press Ctrl D, and then drag. So I'll drag it with a distance of 7. So that window is on the center. Now this one I'll do the same. I'll measure the wall to wall dimension. It's 4100. So I take my calculator. 4100 minus 1500 divide by 2. So I'll get as 1300. So I'll measure from here to here. It's 1781. Press escape. Calculator. I got 17 for got 1741 1741. So I'll minus 1300. So it means I have to move on my left with 441 millimeters. So click on the arrow, click on the window, press Ctrl D, and then move with 441, then you press enter. So this window is on the center too. Now I shall show you on how to place the washroom windows. So for that you have to go to Windows and then you select single double hung windows. So you'll get it here. There are double hung windows and single hung windows. So for me, I'll take single hung windows. Then the dimensions I'll use as 900 by 900. So this is a square. And then I'll have to calculate the sill to story. So as you know, 3100 is the height of the wall. I will minus 300 for the slab, and also I'll minus 900 for the height of the wall. So I'll get 1900. So I'll come to my sill to story and fill 1900 and then click OK. So I'll just come and place. So you must ensure that the bulb like icon is facing inside. Also there is one over here. Yes. So I've placed. Now I'll make sure that they are on the center. So I click on arrow, then measure. Now this dimensions is 2400, and then you measure up to here 787. You press escape. You can go to calculator and then we got 2400. Then you minus the width, which is 900, for you to get 1500, and then you divide it by 2. So you'll get 751. So this means I'll have to move my window to my left. So that is 787. So let me do the calculation again. So it means I'll move to my left with 31. So I'll click on the window, press Ctrl D and move the distance of 31 millimeters. Then press enter. Also this one will be the distance, it's 2400, and then I'll measure up to here. So it's 787. So it means I have to move to my left with 31 millimeters. So I'll click Control D and then move with a distance of 31 and press enter. So this means that our window is on the center. Also for this one I'll do the same. I'll measure the wall to wall distance. It's 2300. Then from that wall to the first corner of the wall it's 816. So it's 2300 minus 900, which is the width, and then I divide this by 2. So it's 700. So it means that the distance from here to here should be 700. So it means I'll move on to my left with 116 millimeters. So I click, then press Ctrl D, move with 116, and press enter. So the window will be on the center. So that is how we deal with windows. So you can have a 3D view. You click on the orbit so that you can rotate. So these are the windows that I have placed. You can see this is a single double hung window. Then this is a single window. So that is how we place a window into our plan. So the next thing I'll teach you is on how to place the objects. So you go to design, toolbox design, and then under there you'll get object. So when you double click, you'll get the settings. So from this one, there are many options for furnishing, appliance. Under that, you'll get appliances, bathroom accessories, and then there are building structures, special construction, mechanical. So these ones are the main ones. So when you open basic library, you'll get furnishing, windows, building structures, special construction, mechanical. And these one are the elements, electrical symbols, the graphic symbols, etc. And then in the visualization, you'll get site improvements, people and vehicle. So most of the time you shall be using the basic library, which has furnishing, building structure, special construction, and mechanical. So first of all, I will teach you on how to place a WC, that is water closet. So you have to go to mechanical, you double click, and then you go to plumbing fixtures, and then you can see WC, bidets, and urinals. So you double click there. So you'll get the types of bidets, urinal, and the WC. For me, I'll use WC19. The dimensions, I'll let it to be like that, and then click OK. So let us go and check to our plan where we have the water closets. So here is one of them, and also here. So I'll just go and place. One is over here and the other one is over here. You can go and click arrow and then click on the object, press Ctrl D and then drag it up to the window. But you must ensure that the water closet does not pass the line of the window. Also this one I'll do same, press on the object, press Ctrl D and then move to the wall. So you can see that my water closet has not passed the wall. So that is how we put water closet. Now we shall put a shower. So you go to objects again and then now we'll go to mechanical again, plumbing fixtures, then bathroom, showers, jacuzzis. So for me I'll use a shower tray 19. I'll click on that, then I let the dimensions be same, click, and then I have one of the shower over here and one of it here. So you can see that I'll have to rotate this because this one, the circular part is the tap, or no, it's not the tap, but the section where water passes. So I can put it in this corner. So I'll click this one and then I will rotate. So I'll teach you on how to rotate. So you have to click, right click, move and then rotate, or you can press Ctrl E. Then you click on the object, you take any radius and then you rotate it like this. So I have already rotated. I will drag, press Ctrl D and then move it to the corner, but ensure that it is not passing the wall. So I'll extend this one up to there. Also, if you want the shower tray to be big, you can click on this black to extend up to there, but you should ensure it doesn't pass the wall. Also, you can press on the diamond like pink dot. You come like this to expand its width. So I have placed the shower tray over there. Now this one too I'll rotate. So I'll press Ctrl E and then click on the object, any radius, and then this one I can rotate it like this by 180 degrees. So sorry, I did a mistake. So I'll rotate it again with 90. So the point where the water will pass will be at the corner. So I'll press Ctrl D, then drag it to this corner. So if you want to extend, you can see that my shower tray has passed the wall. So I'll click, press Ctrl D and ensure that it is outside. Then this one I can extend to there. So you can see how I have placed the shower trays. Now I'll teach you on how to place sofa sets and also beds. So we shall go to objects and then we go to furnishing. Under furnishing you'll get appliances, bathroom accessories, beds. So we can place beds first. I used a double bed, so I click on that bed. You can change the dimensions if you wish to change, and then click OK and come and place your bed over here. And then you press Ctrl D, you drag, and you must ensure that it doesn't pass the window. Also, there is a double bed over here, so I'll click on the objects and come and place. But this one I'll have to rotate, so I'll click on the arrow, press Ctrl E. You have to click on the object and then press Ctrl E, and then any radius. Now this one I'll rotate by negative 180, and then press Ctrl D and drag the bed and ensure that it does not pass the window. So I've placed one bed over here, then the other one here. This room has a singular bed. You can see on the plan. You'll get the plan on my description box. So for this one, you'll go to objects and then beds. Then there is bed 19. I'll click OK, come and place it, and then click on arrow, click on the object and rotate the bed. I press Ctrl E, then rotate the bed by negative 180, and then press Ctrl D, drag the bed to the near to the window, and ensure that it doesn't pass the window. So we have placed a bed. So we forgot to place a wash basin. So you go to objects, and then you'll have to go to mechanical, then plumbing fixtures. There you'll find the basins and the sinks. So I'll place the basins. So this one I can use in the washrooms and the shower. So I'll place it over here. So I have clicked on that, then place it over here. I will click on the arrow, click on the object, press Ctrl D and bring it to the nearer to the wall. Ctrl D. But you must ensure that it doesn't pass the wall. For mine it has passed, so I'll adjust. And then you can extend this if you wish. So you can click there and click on the diamond like pink mark, and then you extend it like that. Also from this side I can extend. So I have placed a basin over there. Also here I'll place a wash basin. So I can go to objects, and then now I'll place basin 19, and then it will give you some types I can use on pedestal. Then click OK, then come and place it. So this two I'll have to rotate. So I click on arrow, you click on the object, press Ctrl E. This one I'll rotate it by negative 90 degrees and then drag it to the wall. So I have placed the basin. Now I'll place the sofas. So I'll have to go to furnishing, and then you can see conches and sofas. So here you'll get the ones that are single, but if you want a layout, you go to furniture layout. Under this there are tables, a round table, and there is also a sofa layout. So I'll click on sofa layout, click OK. Then let's say I come and place my sofa there. These two you can rotate if you wish. For me, I can just leave like that, and then you can come and place a table in the kitchen. so you can use that one. Sorry. So you can place the kitchen in the dining area, but as for our plan, we don't have the dining area. So I have shown you how to place a sofa. Now we shall place the kitchen cabinet. So I go to objects and then go to kitchen cabinets. Then I'll use this one as my wash basin in the kitchen, and then I come and place. So this one you must ensure it's on the window. So you click, you drag until the window. So I can extend this one. I click here, then let's say I extend it up to there. So this one I extend it up to there. And then you can come and place your kitchen cabinets over here. So you go to objects, I'll select this type, then click OK. Come and place, click on the arrow. So this one I'll have to rotate since the doors are this side. So I'll click Ctrl E, then rotate it by -180, then drag it, come and place. So these ones I can extend and ensure that it touches the wall and move it like this. Also you can reduce here, and then you can extend this one to the other end of the wall. So I've placed it over there. So that is how we place most of the objects. Then I will show you on how to place a wardrobe in the bedroom. So you go to objects and then you'll have to go to cabinets and shelves. So there I'll get a wardrobe, variable 19 and wardrobe 19. So I'll click on a wardrobe 19. That is the one I'll go and use. Then I'll come and place one over here, place one over here, and one over here. So I'll click on arrow, and then this one I'll have to rotate. I press Ctrl E, rotate it by 180 for the doors. So this means that the doors are on this side now. I press Ctrl D, then drag it to the wall. So let us see our plan. So it's on this face. So I'll have to rotate it again, press Ctrl E. Now I'll rotate it by 90 degrees, press Ctrl D, then move it to there. So these pink dots, they show that you can extend. So let me extend, let's say it's like that. Also this one I'll click, I'll have to rotate, press Ctrl E, then set the radius, any radius, then move it by 180. So I did a mistake, so that's why I have deleted. So this one I can place it directly. I press Ctrl D, move it up the wall, and then extend these two. I can extend it like this, also like this. So the other simplest thing you can do, if you want the same this side, you just click here and then you press Ctrl Shift D, that is to drag a copy. So I'll drag it to here and then rotate it now. So press Ctrl E and then rotate the object by -180 and then move it to the wall by pressing Ctrl D. So I have placed my wardrobe. So similarly, you can any objects that you have been given in your exams, you can go to objects and find it all there. So you can get decoration items, the furniture layouts, the health and recreational objects, TV, uh, the gym equipments, and then in kitchen cabinets you'll get all the kitchen equipments. The medical, you'll get all the medical equipments. In the office, you'll get all the equipments that are found in the office. And then retail furniture, this is the hanging wall rungs, stands, also the school furniture, you'll get it there. So most of the objects you'll get it in the object section. So that was all it about. So you can go practice this at your own pace, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to share the video with your friends, press the notification button and leave us a comment about the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and there are more upcoming videos, so you'll get it very soon. Thank you for watching.